Superhuman announced that it's acquired the AI authenticity service GPTZero. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. This AI identification business offers services such as hallucination and plagiarism detection, as well as a nifty little tool that displays how much of the internet is artificial intelligence. Superhuman said it plans to integrate GPTZero into its Superhuman Go AI assistant to improve the reach of its existing efforts around AI and authenticity. However, the company promises teachers and students will still be the priority audience for Superhuman after the acquisition. For its part, GPTZero emphasized that Superhuman would also help put its tools in places where people were already reading and writing. However, both the companies didn't disclose any financial terms of the deal. On the surface, this seems like an odd pairing. The press release announcing the acquisition focuses on concerns about the public being able to identify AI-generated content, but Superhuman is quite literally encouraging people to use AI to generate content. The company's most popular product is the AI writing assistant, Grammarly, which does have its own tools for AI detection. However, putting AI resources everywhere in Grammarly has also landed Superhuman in some hot water. Apparently, the writers weren't so pleased when the company tried to give its users AI-generated feedback that adapted the voice and style of other writers. But now, maybe this partnership brings some positive remarks from the users. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.